So, all right, guys, this is Mr. H. This is question 41 from the Regents review. And so I am going to do a video on how to solve a system of equations. And then I'm going to post this and keep it moving. Now, unfortunately, just like in the last video, we didn't get a chance to do cover factoring. In this case, we didn't get a chance to do a system of equations. Definitely not the way that I wanted to. System of equations are really important. But again, like when you only have a limited number of months and sometimes we run out of time, and this is one of the things that I decided it wasn't that important to cover. But I want to show you that you got an equation. So all we're going to do is we're going to graph these equations. Y'all know how to graph, and we're just going to find the intersection because that's where the solutions are. And then all we're going to do is we're going to find the intersections for all four of these answer choices, and we're going to see which one has the same solution. All right, so the only thing that you need for this one is you need to know how to graph two relations and find the intersection. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take this original system. And by the way, a system of equations just means there's more than one equation. So here's the first equation, here's the second equation. What we want to do is we want to find where these two lines intersect. And then we're going to find where these two lines intersect. And then we're going to find where these two lines intersect. Then we're going to find where these two lines intersect. Then we're going to find where these two lines intersect. And one of these should match this one. That's going to be our answer. So let's go. Let me kind of get rid of a lot of that stuff. All right, so we need the calculator now. All right, so where's my calculator? Bring it up. Here we go. Now, I'm going to get rid of this menu 15. Now we got a graph, so I'm going to go to the graph. This was from the last question that we did, so I'm going to get rid of this menu 14. Going to start from scratch. That's all gone. Now, these are not functions that they gave us. These 3x minus y equals 7, they're not in function notation. So when I press tab, I don't want to use it as a function because it's not a function or it's not given to us in function notation. So watch what I do. I just delete the equal sign. And then I'm just going to go down to option 6, which is relation. Remember the difference between function and relation. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to enter, I'm going to bring this up so you can see it. I'm going to enter this first equation here, 3x minus y equals 7. So I'm going to type that in, 3x minus y equals 7. And then I press enter. Boom, that's what it is. You can see it's a line. Now, I'm going to do the same thing. So when I press tab, now it's in relation mode. You see this REL too? That means we're now using relations, not functions. And by the way, if we wanted to go back to functions, we would go 3 and then 1, and then it would go back to functions. All right. But anyway, so now we're going to enter the second equation, 2x plus 3y equals 12. Boom, got it? Now, you can see the intersection is right here. So we're going to find that intersection, and we need to know what the x and y coordinate are. So we're going to go menu 6, and then we're going to use 64 for intersection. So you start to the left of the intersection and pull it. So that is our solution. So on my iPad, on the paper, I'm just going to write the solution for this is 3, 2. Now, one of these is going to have the same solution, and that's all we need to do. Okay, so let's go here. And so now that I have the solution, I'm just going to get rid of this. So I'm going to go menu 14 because I wrote down what I needed. Now I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to enter the second, or I'm going to enter the first answer choice. So I'm going to go tab, and that one was 6x minus 2y equals 14. Press enter. There is an equation, and now I'm going to enter in the second equation. This is going to be a negative 6x plus 9y equals 36. Press enter. There it is. Now you can see that the intersection is off the screen, so this is probably not going to be the answer, but let's just check. We're going to go menu 64. We pull it from the left to the right, and we got a bunch of decimals. So this is not the answer. So on our answer sheet, we can cross off number 1. That is not the answer because it doesn't have this for a solution. So let's go check the next one. Okay, so I'm going to do menu 14, get rid of this garbage. And then let's go again. So now we're going to go to the next one. It's going to be 18x minus 6y equals, oh, I said 6y. 6y equals 42. And I press enter. There is one equation, and then I'm going to do tab, and then I'm going to enter the next one. This is going to be 4x plus 6y equals 24. And then press enter. All right, there we go. Let's find the intersection. Menu 64, start to the left, pull it to the right. 3, 2. Hey, that's our answer. That's the one. It has the same solution. That's our answer. So it has the same solution. So that's our choice. Guys, that's all you really have to do. The only thing that you need to know for system of equations is how to graph relations and how to find the intersection. All right, so let's go. Let me pull up the iPad. So this one has the same solution. So the answer is 2. They both have the same solution. We're done. So the key for this one is you have to be able to graph equations as relations, and you have to be able to find intersections. That's all you need to be able to do for systems. And we're done. All right. I'm going to stop this and I'm going to post it.